Hi students, how are you all? I hope all is well. In our class yesterday, we have learned the two modes of nutrition in plants. So let's recall. What are the two modes of nutrition in plants? Yes, very good. Autotrophic mode of nutrition and second one? Yes, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So here we are discussing the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in plants. Okay, what do you mean by heterotrophic mode of nutrition? Just think it. What do you mean by heterotrophic mode of nutrition? Yes. So the mode of nutrition in which organism take in ready-made food prepared by green plants. So, the organism that take in ready-made food prepared by green plants. This type of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. So, the organism is called very good heterotrophs. So, the organism is called heterotrophs. So, mainly 4 types of nutrition is present. So, mainly 4 types of heterotrophic nutrition is present. So, the first one is parasitic mode of nutrition. Then, second one is insectivorous mode of nutrition. Then, third one, symbiotic mode of nutrition. And the last one is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. So, the first one is parasitic mode of nutrition. So, the first one is parasitic mode of nutrition. Mainly, parasites feeds only a living organism. So, parasites feeds only living organisms. So, mainly the organism on which it feeds is called host. So, the organism on which it feeds is called host. So, mainly parasites feeds only living organism. Then, I will ask one question. Name the largest flower in the world. Okay, the answer is Rafflesia. So, Rafflesia is the largest flower in the world. So, the interesting thing is that it doesn't have any leaves and proper stem. So, Rafflesia is an example for parasitic mode of nutrition. So, Rafflesia is an example for parasitic mode of nutrition. Then, another example is Amarbel. Another example is Amarbel. Then, one more example is present, that is Loranthus. So, these are the 3 examples for parasitic mode of nutrition. So, the first one is Rafflesia, second one Amarbel, third one Loranthus. So, the second one is insectivorous nutrition. So, the second one is insectivorous nutrition. So, mainly insectivorous plants are plants. So, insectivorous plants are plants that derive nutrients from trapping and consuming insects and small organisms. So, insectivorous plants are plants that derive nutrients from trapping and consuming insects and small organisms. So, example for insectivorous mode of nutrition is, first one is Venus flytrap. So, first example is Venus flytrap. Then, another example is pitcher plant. Another example is pitcher plant. Then one more example, that is sundew. So, these are 3 examples for insectivorous mode of nutrition. So, first one is Venus flytrap, second one pitcher plant, then third one is sundew. Then third one is symbiotic mode of nutrition. So third one is symbiotic mode of nutrition. So mainly these types of nutrition. So organisms live together. So organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. So organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. So these types of relationship is known as symbiosis. And the nutrition is called symbiotic nutrition. So organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. Example for this is, first one is lichen. Do you heard the term lichen? Lichen is an association between algae and fungus. So lichen is an association between algae and fungus. So algae, mainly the algae contain chlorophyll. So the fungus give nutrients and also water to algae. So fungus give nutrients and water to algae. So the algae, they prepare the food. So this is the mutual relationship that is known as symbiotic. So here this is known as symbiotic mode of nutrition. So example for symbiotic mode of nutrition is lichen. So lichen is an association between, yes, algae and fungus. Another example is pea plant and rhizobium bacteria. Another example is pea plant and rhizobium bacteria. So mainly the rhizobium bacterium that is seen in the root nodules of pea plant. So they can live together and share their nutrients. So these are the two examples for symbiotic mode of nutrition. So the first one is lichen. Then second one, pea plant and rhizobium bacterium. Then the last one is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. So last one is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. So in these types, they can derive their nutrients from dead and decaying matter. So in these types, they can derive their nutrients from dead and decaying matter. So these types of plants are non-green because chlorophyll is absent. So example for saprotrophic mode of nutrition is mushroom. Then one more example, bread mold. It is otherwise called rhizopus. So these are the examples for saprotrophic mode of nutrition. So the first one is mushroom and second one is bread mold. So these are the four main heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So the first one is parasitic nutrition, second one insectivorous mode of nutrition, third one symbiotic mode of nutrition, and the last one is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.